Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2013 KIA Forte. In this video, I'm gonna show you the features that come with this system and also the hardware specification of the system. This system comes with the newest Android 10.0, and it also comes with the 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage memory. Okay, it also comes with the Apple CarPlay, the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. And this system is fully compatible with the steering wheel control, so that means you can also use the steering wheel control here to control the screen. Okay, and then they also support the radio, so you can also listen to the radio here, and then okay, and this one also comes with offline navigation too. Okay, so basically in order to use the navigation, you just need to click on the corner here, bottom right corner, and then new road, and then address. You can enter the address right here. Okay, if you want the traffic update, you can also connect to the Wi-Fi in order to use the traffic update as well. This system also supports Wi-Fi, so basically once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can use a lot of application right here. You can watch the YouTube, you can use the Google Map, you can even watch the Netflix. Okay, this is the YouTube here. Okay, so basically this is very nice. You can also watch the video right here. So it's gonna be you can bring you the multimedia center on the road. Okay, so basically you can also browse the website here. This is the website, the internet browser. Okay, it's very nice. Alright, so you can also download any of the application. We will preload some of the application for you, like the Spotify and the Waze and the Netflix. If you have Netflix, you can also watch the Netflix on the car as well. It's very nice. If you don't want to use the Wi-Fi, you can also download the movie to the USB. You can also play the movie directly from the USB as well. For example, we can try this one.
We need help.
This is very nice. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to program the steering wheel control. This system also supports the steering wheel control. In order to program the steering wheel control, you just need to go to setting and then car and then steering wheel setting right here, and then you just need to click on the volume up here, click on the just click on the button here, assign the feature. For example, right now I need to assign the volume down, then just click on the volume down and then click on the OK, and then next song, preview song, mode. It's very easy. This system is fully compatible with all the features of the system, and then they also support the voice control, pick up the phone call, hang up the phone call, save. Perfect. This system also will allow you to install the backup camera too. So basically you can also install the backup camera right here. It's very nice. As you can see, this system is fully compatible with the original car. You can see that it's very nice direct fit. There's no gap here on each side. Okay, it's also fully compatible with the emergency button here, and you can also control the temperature here. And this one also support the Google App Store, so basically you can also download any of the application to the system as well. For example, you can download the Facebook, you can download the Instagram as well. Here we go. You can also change the interface right here. And the thing is, this system also supports the built-in wireless Apple CarPlay. How to use the Apple CarPlay, I'm going to show you. First of all, you can also bring out the cell phone, and then you can go to setting. Okay, go to Bluetooth, and then search the device of the unit. It's gonna be, you can change any name once you connect to the Bluetooth device of the system, and then you can enter the password here, 000040. The wireless Apple CarPlay, they actually use the Wi-Fi to transfer the data. They don't use the Bluetooth to transfer the data. Okay, so you can see that it's very nice. And then you just need to check the message on the phone. You need to grant the authorization of the CarPlay. Okay, use CarPlay right here. they will use the Apple CarPlay to pair at the beginning, but they will use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning. Once they get paired, they will automatically switch to the Wi-Fi in the background. Just keep that in mind. Do not manually connect back to the Bluetooth because it won't work. Okay, so right now they're using the wireless. Okay, they use the Wi-Fi to transfer the data. Okay, it doesn't mean that you use the data. Okay, but the point is just use the Wi-Fi as the connection way to transfer the data to communicate. So you can check the cell phone, you can check the message on the phone as well. Okay, for example, now you can have the split screen here. You can also listen to the music. Okay. Okay, and then you can also use the Google Map right here. In order to use the Siri, you basically just need to hold the bottom left corner. What's the temperature today?
The high temperature for today will be 22 degrees, and the low will be 14.
Bring me to the gas station.
One possibility I see is Esso on Kennedy Road.
Okay, as you can see, this is the voice control. Okay, so this system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.